Welcome to today's lesson, Unexpected Compliments That Make People Smile. By the end of this video, you'll know 10 fresh, sincere compliments, 2 common uses for each, and 3 ready-to-use example sentences. Let's begin. Compliment 1. You have a calming energy. Use 1. You have a calming energy when we talk after a stressful day.
You have a calming energy that helps people focus.
Use 2. You have a calming energy that steadied the team during the meeting.
You have a calming energy that makes tense moments easier. You have a calming energy people notice right away.
Example 1. You have a calming energy. I felt less stressed after talking to you. Example 2. You have a calming energy when you lead the meeting. Example 3. You have a calming energy that helped everyone focus.
When someone says you have a calming energy, it recognizes how your presence changes the room's mood. Calling out a calming energy highlights emotional steadiness that supports teamwork under pressure.
Compliment 2. You notice the little things. Use 1. You notice the little things, like remembering everyone's favorite snack. Use 2. You notice the little things that improve the quality of our reports. Example 1. You notice the little things, like remembering names. Example 2. You notice the little things, and that makes our work better. Example 3. You notice the little things that others miss.
Compliment 3. You make complicated ideas feel simple.
Telling someone they notice the little things praises their attention to detail and thoughtfulness. This compliment recognizes how small observations improve quality and make people feel valued. When you say someone notices the little things, you highlight their role in preventing mistakes and smoothing processes.
Compliment 3. You make complicated ideas feel simple. Use 1. You make complicated ideas feel simple when you explain them to me. Use 2. You make complicated ideas feel simple for the whole class with that example. Example 1. You make complicated ideas feel simple with that explanation. Example 2. You make complicated ideas feel simple when you teach. Example 3. You make complicated ideas feel simple and easy to use.
Noticing the little things often means remembering personal details that strengthen relationships. That compliment signals appreciation for the invisible work that keeps projects polished and people seen. Calling out attention to small details encourages a culture of care and higher standards. This phrase credits the practical benefits of observation: fewer errors, better experiences, and stronger trust.
Compliment 4. You have a great sense of timing. Use 1. You have a great sense of timing. That joke landed perfectly. Use 2. You have a great sense of timing in your presentation transitions. Example 1. You have a great sense of timing. That joke landed perfectly. Example 2. You have a great sense of timing when you speak in meetings. Example 3. You have a great sense of timing that keeps the conversation flowing.
Telling someone they have a great sense of timing praises their instinct for when to speak or act. This compliment recognizes how well-timed contributions can change the tone and effectiveness of a conversation. When you say someone has great timing, you highlight their ability to read the room and influence outcomes. This compliment credits the practical effect of timing: smoother flow, better reception, and stronger impact.
Compliment 5. You make people feel seen. Use 1. You make people feel seen when you ask how they really are. Use 2. You make people feel seen by acknowledging each team member's contribution. Example 1. You make people feel seen when you ask how they really are. Example 2. You make people feel seen by remembering small details. Example 3. You make people feel seen and heard in every conversation.
Saying someone makes people feel seen honors their capacity to notice and acknowledge others genuinely. This compliment recognizes emotional intelligence and the way it builds trust and belonging. When you tell someone they make people feel seen, you validate their habit of listening and remembering. That phrase highlights how attention to others' feelings creates safer spaces for honest conversation. Complimenting someone for making people feel seen rewards empathy and consistent human connection. Noting this quality encourages behaviors that strengthen relationships and
Compliment 6. You have an interesting way of looking at things. Use 1. You have an interesting way of looking at things that always surprises me. Use 2. You have an interesting way of looking at things that adds value to our strategy. Example 1. You have an interesting way of looking at things that open my mind. Example 2. You have an interesting way of looking at things in this project. Example 3. You have an interesting way of looking at things that sparks ideas.
telling someone they have an interesting way of looking at things praises creative perspective and curiosity. This compliment recognizes the value of fresh angles that reveal new possibilities and solutions. When you say someone brings an interesting viewpoint, you encourage divergent thinking and innovation. That phrase highlights how different perspectives prevent tunnel vision and expand options. Complimenting a unique viewpoint rewards intellectual risk-taking and original problem-solving. Noting this quality signals appreciation for ideas that challenge assumptions and spark discussion.
Compliment 7. You're quietly impressive. Use 1. You're quietly impressive. You handle so much without making a fuss. Use 2. You're quietly impressive in how consistently you meet deadlines. Example 1. You're quietly impressive. You get so much done. Example 2. You're quietly impressive in how you handle tasks. Example 3. You're quietly impressive and people notice your results.
Saying someone is quietly impressive honors steady competence without the need for attention. This compliment recognizes consistent effort and results that speak louder than self-promotion. When you call someone quietly impressive, you validate reliability and understated leadership. That phrase highlights the value of sustained performance that others can depend on over time. Complimenting quiet competence encourages humility and long-term contribution rather than flashiness. Noting this trait signals respect for the behind-the-scenes work.
Compliment 8. You make this place more fun. Use 1. You make this place more fun whenever you join our lunch breaks. Use 2. You make this place more fun and positive for the whole office. Example 1. You make this place more fun whenever you're around. Example 2. You make this place more fun with your energy. Example 3. You make this place more fun and easier to enjoy.
Telling someone they make this place more fun praises their ability to lift mood and morale. This compliment recognizes the social energy that turns routine days into enjoyable ones. When you say someone makes the place more fun, you acknowledge their role in building positive culture. That phrase highlights how lightness and humor can reduce stress and increase creativity. Complimenting someone for bringing fun rewards behaviors that strengthen team bonds and engagement. Noting this quality encourages a balance of seriousness and play that sustains long-term motivation. This compliment credits the practical effect of fun, higher morale, better collaboration, and more memorable work.
Compliment 9. You have a knack for finding the right words. Use 1. You have a knack for finding the right words when someone needs comfort. Use 2. You have a knack for finding the right words in client communications. Example 1. You have a knack for finding the right words in tough moments. Example 2. You have a knack for finding the right words in your messages. Example 3. You have a knack for finding the right words that comfort people.
Saying someone has a knack for finding the right words praises precise and empathetic communication. This compliment recognizes the power of language to clarify, comfort, and persuade. When you tell someone they find the right words, you validate their skill at shaping tone and meaning. This compliment credits the practical benefit of good wording, clearer direction, calmer conflict, and stronger connection.
Compliment 10. You make ordinary moments feel special. Use 1. You make ordinary moments feel special with the little things you do. Use 2. You make ordinary moments feel special by adding thoughtful touches to events. Example 1. You make ordinary moments feel special with small touches. Example 2. You make ordinary moments feel special every time we hang out. Example 3. You make ordinary moments feel special and memorable.
Telling someone they make ordinary moments feel special praises their attention to small, meaningful gestures. This compliment recognizes the way small touches create memorable experiences and deepen relationships. When you say someone makes moments special, you honor their habit of noticing opportunities to celebrate. That phrase highlights how everyday care turns routine interactions into lasting memories. Complimenting this quality encourages mindfulness.
Review the 10 compliments. You have a calming energy. You notice the little things. You make complicated ideas feel simple. You have a great sense of timing. You make people feel seen. You have an interesting way of looking at things. You're quietly impressive. You make this place more fun. You have a knack for finding the right words. You make ordinary moments feel special. Good job. Practice one compliment each day for 10 days and notice how people respond. Small, sincere compliments can change the tone of a conversation. If you found this helpful, subscribe and like the video to get more English lessons. Try one compliment today and tell us which one in the comments. Thanks for watching.
And don't forget,
Subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell to get notified of new videos.
Please help grow this channel by subscribing and sharing this video. Thank you.